Agentforce make case management simple and efficient by using AI to assist with customer interactions. In this use case, we will show how a customer reporting a damaged product connects with Agentforce agent who helps raise a case and ensure quick resolution. Currently, I'm on the contact record page and we can see there's no case associated with this contact. So now we'll try creating one. Moving on to the experience side, where the customer will report Agentforce agent about the damaged product that he received. Click on the message icon here in the bottom right. Once the Agentforce is available, start your chat with the Agentforce agent. So here I go. Hi, I have an issue with my product. Can you raise a case for me? Wait for the agent to analyze and reply back to your message. We got the agent's reply and it's asking for my email address, as in the customer's email address. The agent fetched your detail using your email address and now it needs a confirmation over getting the product information. So I entered sure. As a reply, we got product information and now I have to give case description. After providing the description, the agent will register the case. You can see the case details here like the case number, description, subject, and the case status. And the customer will receive an acknowledgement mail for this newly registered case. To verify, go back to the record page, contact record page, and go to the customer service. You'll find the case under related cases. Now we can see the case details registered by the Agentforce agent. This is how Agentforce can be used to make case management simple and efficient.